Hello traders, this is Chris from AAAFx taking a look at Bitcoin. And you can see Monday was a little bit rough, but quite frankly, this was needed. After all, the market had gone straight up in the air, and that's not a good look. The fact that we sold off the way we did does open up the possibility of a little bit of value. But at this point in time, I think you also have to keep in the back of your mind that perhaps the $40,000 level and the 20-day EMA will be defended. It's interesting because we have a situation where we have several central bank meetings this week, and that could certainly affect the interest rate markets around the world, and that could certainly affect Bitcoin. Markets cannot go straight up in the air forever. So this was healthy. You can see we had plunged right here, bounced a bit, and then started to fade a bit. So I think what we're going to do is kill some time around 40,000. Ultimately, I do think this is still an area where buyers will come in, probably down to about the 38,400 level. But you're going to have to be cautious, maybe scale in and recognize the fact that there is going to be a bit of volatility. That's not a bad thing, though. It shakes out a lot of the weak hands. Now, if interest rates start to spike, it could be a deeper correction. Furthermore, keep in mind that we are heading into the holiday season, so institutional liquidity will probably dry up. Yes, everybody's excited about the ETF that could be coming, but when you look at this, in 2 months, we're up an astonishing, basically 75%. So you have to give back sooner or later to attract more inflows. So cautiously optimistic would be the way I would look at this. No real headlines that I saw across the wires that really caused a lot of this. This could have just been whales dumping over the weekend. You just don't know. Pretty thin market at times. That being said, it's still positive. Probably have some work to do. Remember that we have the Federal Reserve on Wednesday, the ECB, Bank of England, and Swiss National Bank on Thursday. Wednesday and Thursday probably going to set up where we go for the next week or so.
AAAFx,